We all want to live better lives. We crave success and happiness, but big transformations can feel overwhelming. What if I told you that the secret lies in tiny changes? That's the power of Atomic Habits. James Clear's book. Atomic Habits is a game changer. It teaches us that small habits repeated consistently have a massive impact on our lives. It's not about radical overnight changes, but about getting 1% better every day. This book can truly transform your life, one small step at a time. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it gathers momentum, it becomes unstoppable. That's the power of compounding. The same principle applies to our habits. Small improvements, compounded over time, lead to significant results. It's about making the right choices, day after day, and letting the compound effect work its magic. Think about it. Improving just 1% each day might seem insignificant at first, but over a year, those small gains accumulate into something extraordinary. It's like investing pennies that grow into a fortune over time. The key is consistency. It's about showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it, and making those tiny improvements. Let's say you want to read more. Instead of setting an unrealistic goal of reading a book a week, start with 1 page a day. That's it. Just 1 page. It seems so small, almost too easy. But as you get into this simple habit, you'll find yourself reading more and more. You'll crave that daily dose of knowledge. That's the power of Atomic Habits in action. It's not just about reading either. This principle applies to every area of your life. Want to get in shape? Start with a 5-minute workout. Want to eat healthier? Replace 1 sugary drink with water each day. These small changes might seem insignificant at first, but trust the process. Over time, they will transform your life. James Clear outlines 4 simple laws to help us build better habits. Make it obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Let's break them down. Make it obvious. We are more likely to do something if it's right in front of us. Want to drink more water? Place a full water bottle on your desk. Want to exercise in the morning? Lay out your workout clothes the night before. Make the cue for your habit impossible to ignore. Make it attractive. We are drawn to things we enjoy. Pair a habit you want to build with something you love. Want to listen to a podcast? Only allow yourself to listen while you walk. Want to eat healthier? Make your healthy meals delicious and visually appealing. Make it easy. The easier a habit is, the more likely we are to do it. Remove any friction or obstacles. Want to meditate? Create a dedicated meditation space in your home. Want to write every day? Keep a journal and pen on your nightstand. Make it satisfying. We are more likely to repeat behaviors that make us feel good. Reward yourself for sticking to your habits. Track your progress and celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Breaking bad habits is just as important as building good ones. The key is to reverse the 4 laws of behavior change. Make the bad habit invisible, unattractive, difficult, and unsatisfying. Let's say you want to break the habit of mindless snacking. Start by making unhealthy snacks invisible. Hide them in the back of the pantry, or better yet, don't buy them at all. Make healthy snacks easily accessible and visually appealing. Keep a bowl of fruit on the counter or pre-cut veggies in the fridge. Next, make the bad habit unattractive. Remind yourself of the negative consequences of mindless snacking, such as weight gain or low energy levels. You can even write down these consequences and keep them visible as a deterrent. Make the bad habit difficult. Don't keep unhealthy snacks in the house. If you have to go out of your way to get them, you're less likely to indulge. You can also use accountability partners or apps to help you stay on track. Finally, make the bad habit unsatisfying. Instead of rewarding yourself with food, find other ways to celebrate your successes. Treat yourself to a movie, a new book, or a relaxing activity that doesn't involve food. Speaking of personal growth, I want to introduce you to a fantastic resource, Tylerblogger's YouTube channel. Tyler is passionate about helping people live their best lives, and his channel is a treasure trove of valuable content on habits, productivity, and self-improvement. Tyler breaks down complex topics into easy-to-understand videos, filled with practical tips and actionable advice. He's relatable, engaging, and truly wants to see his viewers succeed. Whether you're just starting your personal growth journey or are well on your way, Tylerblogger's channel has something for you. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to YouTube and subscribe to Tylerblogger today. You'll be glad you did. Remember, Building good habits and breaking bad ones is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, successes and setbacks. The key is to be patient with yourself, embrace the process, and never give up. Start small, focus on getting 1% better every day, and trust the power of atomic habits. You have the power to transform your life, one small step at a time. And remember, Tylerblogger and I are here to cheer you on every step of the way.